Okay, I hope everybody can listen to me, hopefully. Yes, okay. Okay, now the duration of this course is about 1 month, if you all can see that. Uh, it's our first lecture, and the duration is about 1 month. So what I'll do is I'll be the class days are Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and the time is around 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. PST, which is Pakistan Standard Time. So this is about the course details. Well, in this particular course, the syllabus that I have talked about in grammar, we're going to talk about two things because I have just designed this course for 1 month. So in 1 month, we're going to talk about tenses and NAPWAPC. In writing, I've decided two things. One is letter writing, email writing, and paragraph writing. And after that, in the speaking, we are going to have like we're just going to have, for example, uh, accent development, pronunciation development, presentations, discussion, and one-to-one interviews. So these are the things that I'm going to talk about in the speaking. And in listening, we are going to have some sort of listening comprehension sort of thing. I'll be giving or teaching you how to improve your listening skills, particularly English, because a lot of times people do not understand what others are talking. And the second thing is about reading. And reading, I'll be, again seeing some sort of reading comprehension. So what I say that. Uh, what I can say that over here in listening and reading, hopefully. Now, the next thing is that I want to show is the NAPWAPC. Okay, now I'm starting your voices, everyone's voices, and let's see. But make sure I can see that some people are still, talking at the background in Urdu language. So make sure nobody talks in Urdu language, okay? I'm giving you permission to talk now. You all can talk now, one by one, if you have any questions. But please make sure don't talk in Urdu language and don't use any language which is not appropriate, okay? So the first question, still I can see that some people are talking, which, see, some people is talking about Khana Khaliya. Come on. Who is this gentleman? Okay, we have another options. If you have any question, you can ask me in the chat chat section. If you can see the chat section, you can write your question over there, and I will answer you accordingly. I'll give you time for asking question as well. Okay, so let's begin with this first, and I hope I could see that how many people are here. By the way, we have Ibrahim, we have Arif Anjum, Mudassir. Welcome, Mudassir. We have Muhammad Awais, Muhammad Hafiz, Naeem, Pira. Welcome. Taimur Ashraf is there, Fawad Ahmed, Hassan Farooq, Rafia, Salman Malik, Shoaib Tahir, and Sayyid Israr. I know some faces over here. I really recognize some of the people, but a few of you are new to me. I don't remember exactly, but Taimur, I can see your video as well. Can you raise your hand? That will make me sure that. Oh, wonderful! Yes, I can listen to you. Naeem Khan is there. Okay, Mr. Naeem, video is not allowed. Taimur, video is not allowed. We are not allowing videos. Okay. That's wonderful. Okay. Okay. I want everybody to just, you can see the option of raising your hand over there. If you go to, you can see the option of raising your hand. Can everybody raise your hand? I want to see if you all are able to listen to me or not. Yeah, that's wonderful. I can see three people raise their hands. I want to see everybody. Oh, wonderful. For one, two, three, four. Please, everyone, raise your hands. I want to listen. I want to see if you can listen to me or not. Exactly. Okay. Okay. Fine. Hopefully, that's better. Now I understand that everybody can listen to me. Now, what I'm doing is I'm starting with the NAPWAPC. NAPWAPC is something which is which is something very amazing. At times, people don't understand how it goes and what is this all about. So NAPWAPC works like this. It's N-A-P. It's NAPVAPCI. So this is exactly NAPWAPC. NAPWAPC. Okay, so now some students are coming at the moment, and I can see that their voices is basically, it is possible that their voices can disturb others as well. So I'll just turn off your. Okay, so today's topic is about NAPWAPC. NAPVAPCI. So this is something very, a lot of people do not understand what this is all about. So what I will say and what I will request everyone to see that, what is NAPWAPC exactly? Okay, so let's see. Well, it's the lifeline of English language. Lifeline means it works as an oxygen, as oxygen. It works as blood. It pumps the heart. So like when we talk about NAPWAPC, so this is something very important. Okay, and what else? Well, no sentence in English can be made without NAPWAPC. So if you want to make even a single sentence in English, you must like you must use NAPWAPC. Without NAPWAPC, you cannot make any sentence in English language. So this is something very very important to understand. What is NAPWAPC? Okay, so what is NAPWAPC? A lot of people have questions. What is NAPWAPC at the moment and what this is all about? So what I say that, oh, let's see. N is basically a noun. It's basically passive speech. And NAPWAPC is my own invention, my own creation, this word, this name. The reason is that a lot of times people forget what is passive speech and how this works, and what is the sequence. So NAPWAPC is something which tells you the sequence. It tells you what I say. It tells you the names as well. So these are, if you can see that, this is the sequence of 8 parts of speech. The first is noun, second is adjective, and third one is pronoun, fourth one is verb, and fifth one is adverb, and the next one is, okay, what happened? Oh, hello, भाई साहब जी सर, रूम में हो? हाँ, क्लास चल रहा था, आपकी कॉल की वजह से डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया मेरा हॉटस्पॉट. ओके. Okay, I request everyone, please turn off your videos. Video calling is not allowed.